before you shoot me, psychiatrist. I'm giving you a lecture shot. They said that they could live it on with mom and dad instead of mental hospital. And every time you tried to read a book, you couldn't get to page 17. Cause you forgot where you were and you couldn't even read. Don't you know you're gonna kill your son? Don't you know you're gonna kill your son? Don't you know you're gonna kill your son? And till they run away. Mama called me on the phone. She don't know what to do about that. He took an axe and he broke the table. Oh, and she glad you're married. And sister, she called me from on the island. Her husband takes a train. She's big and she's fat. And she doesn't even have a brain. Don't you know you're gonna kill your son? No, you're gonna kill your son. Don't you know you're gonna kill now? Kill your son. And then they run. Oh, run away. People treated me really good, and they did it was even better. And when I flipped out, babe, on PCP, I was so sad I couldn't get a letter. All of the drugs that we took, it really was a lot of fun. But when they shoot you out the door to see a crystal smoke, you look like a son of a gun. You gotta kill your son.